Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop table rows from splitting across pages inside of Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to your page where you've got your table rows splitting. Now what we need to do is click on Control A to copy it all, then come over to the top and click anywhere inside of here. And we should see, if I go ahead and click on the drop down menu or up, you should get 3 dots here. So if you can't see it, click onto view or insert, then jump down to table and building blocks, and then click on view more. Now you should get these 3 dots here, so click onto that, and now this is going to be, you're going to see building blocks on the right hand side. Okay, so click onto table options here. Then once table options is open, you're going to get it appearing on your right hand side. Now where it says row, go ahead and expand that, and then just make sure that is turned off. Now this is not going to allow rows to overflow across pages, so you can see it's going to format it a lot better like so. So if I click on Control A, you're going to see select the table to see options. So I've selected that, so I'm just going to come back here and click up. Click down, there should be table options appearing. Don't know why it disappears. And yeah, just go ahead and click on allow row to overflow across pages, and that's going to fix this issue.